G'day everyone. What I'm going to be doing is just giving you a short summary of the trade that was taken on Friday the 13th of March at the London Open. Okay guys, I'm going to be going in long on the pound yen. That is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my money management, my 3% money management rule. You guys must handle your positions accordingly, but my suggestion is maybe you want to look for it to retrace pound yen, euro yen, pound dollar, euro dollar. But at the moment we can see that it's definitely the yen that's under pressure. The 137 level. I'm getting in now. I'm actually gonna. Okay, I'm buying now. Right, so I'm in at 137. Well, call it 18. 137.18. Alright, there. So, GY moving up nicely. Let's see how we're doing then. Okay, I'm up 10 pips. Let's see what the dashboard is telling us. Yeah, you can see. There we go. There's your... If we're going a pure momentum trade, okay, you can see that the Aussie and the pound were definitely the strong ones. I'm currently up almost 30 pips on the, well, it's gone down a bit now, it's 22. It's the JPY. The momentum's here. Pound yen, even pound US dollar. Okay, it would be the US dollar JPY is a better trade than the, say, the Euro USD. But pound USD would be more momentum. Aussie JPY is a good option. All the yen crosses are actually quite good options. Well, no, USD JPY. The reason why I don't like trading the big USD and the yen is because of the way that the US dollar and the yen have been correlating. There's been quite a strong correlation between the two. So the movements that you're getting between the US dollar and the yen aren't big moves. The big moves are coming on the other currencies. Let's just recap. I got in at 137.17. Alright. So I'm going to move my line up to... I got in a little bit late. But nevertheless, we saw it happening. So let's just say it's around about there. So the good place to have got in was obviously here. Alright. So markets opened. Actually, as the markets opened, yeah, that would have been the place to get in. Right here. As the markets opened, at this point, on this candle, this is a 15-minute chart. As the markets opened over here, on the break over here of where's your lines of support and resistance. Support was here, resistance was there. See how it was channeling there? and then we use the dashboard to give us the where the big moves were occurring. Right from the word go, the pound has been strong, and so I just used the momentum, got in on a nice momentum move, and got in a little bit later than I would have liked to. I mean, that was the time to get in, and you would have been up 140 pips already. But you can see what's happening here. ABA, yeah, just to answer your question there, did the dashboard tell us in advance the direction of the GY break? Yeah, obviously. Not the breakouts. That you've got to check on the chart. But what it does is it tells you what is the strongest and weakest. That is what the dashboard is about. If you want to simplify everything down, really make it simple. It's the dashboard's big strength is it tells you where the momentum is, where the big players are. So these two things. The first thing you look at is where what is the weakest, what is the strongest. Okay, guys, yeah, I think I may get out here as well. Wow, the pound's just getting strong, eh? Just bust through the 138 level. Okay, I'm out. I took about 50 pips on my first half and 100 pips on my second half. So yeah, if you average it out, 75 pips or so. Very, very nice trade if you're just scalping. I mean, that's a brilliant trade. What it does here is you can see exactly what's causing this move, and obviously what's going on here is the US markets are up. Okay, European markets are sort of neither here nor there, but this is what's driving this. Is you got the US futures which are up. Okay, yen is being driven down, and the US dollar as a result of that, and then you're getting basically, I mean, what we've been looking at all week is how oversold the pound is, and that is one of the reasons why I went in with the pound. Not only because it was the strongest on the day, but also because of its oversold nature. So what I looked at is, and this is the way I set it up every day, is normally if there's going to be a breakout, it happens somewhere around the open, either of the Frankfurt Open or on the London Open. Alright, so this line over here, there's your open on that candle, 15-minute candle. Alright, drawing your lines of support and resistance, and then this of mine on MetaTrader, okay, you can set it up to alert you to breakouts using these tools here. It can give you an audio alert and an SMS as well if you need, or email, and you can set it up on various charts. So you just basically take your line, place it wherever you need to, and it will, once it breaks that line, it will tell you, okay, it's breaking. Look at it now, look at it go. Wow.